Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. We're still in summer, so it's time for another summertime recipe. And today, it's a wasabi roast beef sandwich. Yeah, wasabi and roast beef, they go together really well. So what we got in here, we've got a bunch of roast beef, we got some Gouda cheese, we've got a lot of wasabi mayonnaise, and a tomato. Let's have a bite into it. Oh yeah. You're gonna get just the right amount of wasabi in there. That is perfect. That is good. Let's go in the kitchen and make this really easy to make sandwich right now. All right, not many ingredients are needed for making this simple sandwich. It's a lot of fun to put together, quick and easy. No cooking, no heat, and you're ready. So, the main holding it all together is a bun. In this case, I've got a large ciabatta bun. They make them here, they make them quite big. So, I'm going to make it all in this and then just cut it in half, and that's 2 sandwiches. You could use a baguette, just bread, whatever. All you want enough for making 2 sandwiches, really. So, there's that. There's the roast beef, of course. That is 10 ounces or 270 grams of thinly sliced roast beef. Beautiful stuff. Across the front, to make the wasabi mayo, I've got 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I've got a tablespoon of wasabi. Now, that's not, I didn't hand grind that or anything, but it is the good stuff that comes in a tube like this here. It's called nama wasabi or raw wasabi. That's what you want. You want the good wasabi, the good stuff. So look in your Asian supermarket or whatever for the good stuff. And yes, that's a whole tablespoon there. You did not hear that wrong. Now, if that's a little strong for you, you can always cut that back to about 2 teaspoons. It really depends on your own wasabi tolerance. And then here I've got a dash of salt. It's like about 2 pinches of salt. Over here, I've got 4 ounces or 110 grams of Gouda cheese sliced. And then across the back, just to add a little something else to the sandwich, I've got 1 tomato sliced. So, let's do it. First thing I'm going to do is just going to take the wasabi and mix it into the mayonnaise. There we go. All right, so wasabi in there. I'm going to throw that salt in there too. And just blend it in there. Now, when it's well blended, I'm going to take the 2 sides of the ciabatta. I'm just going to spread that on there liberally. Okay, now I'm saving a little bit in there because I'm going to use that in between too. So let's put that off to one side for right now, because next thing we're going to do, pile the meat on. So just start piling that on, get it all across that bun. That's looking pretty good for one layer. So what we're going to do now is just going to sneak something in between there. Let's put some cheese in there. All right. It's not all fit. All the rest can go in later. All right. So now I'm going to throw the tomatoes on there. Well, first, the wasabi. The rest of that wasabi mayonnaise, just kind of slather that on it. It's kind of like glue holding everything together. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right. Okay, so that's all in there. Now I'll put the tomato on top of that. Kind of get that to hold the tomato from sliding off, right? Let's see. Here's where we do a little cut and fit. Stick that in there. Put that in there. That was a pretty big tomato, so I don't think I'm going to use it all. Just going to eat that. You know what that needs? I think we got a little bit of wasabi left in here. Just, oh yeah, I'm scrape that a little bit more. Take that, throw it on that little piece we got left sitting here. And real good. All right, now more meat. Remember that commercial used to be, a long time ago, a little lady used to always come out and say, "Where's the beef?" Well, the beef is right here. There's a lot of it. But it's one of those big sandwiches that stretches the limits of your jaw when you go to eat it. Let's see what's there. Yeah, piece right there. And I got those little leftover pieces of cheese. I just throw them across the top. Put that on there. Squish that down a bit. Boom. Done. Now what you can do is grab a knife and cut that in half. And somebody should have left the knife here. I'm going to grab that right now. Back with the knife. So, let's see which way I want to go. Yeah, I can go this way. Hold it down a bit. And down we go. Ta-da! Oops. Oh. As soon as I go cut the edge of a piece of cheese, so we're just going to wolf that down. And there you go. All ready for dinner. How quick was that? All right, if you like this recipe, well, if you've been sticking around here for a while, you know what to do. Stick around some more and check out more of the recipes here on the Kuma's Kitchen cooking channel. These are all original Kevin Riley recipes. I come up with all these ideas. I've got a ton of them sitting at home still that still needs to be cooked. So more to come yet. So make sure that you're subscribed and you click that notification bell so you don't miss any. And hey, if you want to be a patron of Kuma's Kitchen and help support all this, well, you can go and join us at patreon.com. And not only will you help support all this, but you're going to join the fun people in there. And it's just a fantastic community. So get to hang out with them. And now, go. Make this. And, well, you know what's coming up. Make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.